How can you use your electric bike battery safely and for a long time? For lithium batteries, ensure you fully charge them at least once every 5 uses. This helps balance the energy levels of overcharged batteries, maintaining the voltage balance of the battery cells, and prolonging their lifespan. After the charger indicates a full charge, leave it charging for an additional hour. To manage charging times, use a mechanical timer. Alternatively, you can use a Wi-Fi enabled power outlet to control the power via your smartphone.